Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use LIIO. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to visit their main website. So you go ahead and go to Google, just type in LIIO, or you could go directly to their website here, which is going to be li.io. Now, in their website, you should be greeted with the main web page or a main web page or homepage that they have. So just to give you a background on it, LIIO is a platform wherein you'll be able to create your own AI videos. So you won't need any person or you won't need to record any or someone for you to create your video. So for example, if you want to have a representative for your video, well, you could use LI here for your video needs. Now in this case, how do you actually start? So first things first is we could go ahead and click on the button here that says try LI for free. So let's go and click on it. Now from here, the next page, it's going to ask you to sign up to the platform. So they're going to request you to enter your name, your email, as well as your password, and agree to your terms of conditions and privacy policies. Now in this case, go ahead and enter all necessary details. Now on the next page, once you've created your account, it's going to ask you to let you know or basically ask you a few information about yourself. So what will you create LI videos for? So may it be for personal or for corporate, but in this case, I'm going to choose personal here. Just hit on continue. Now here, it's going to ask you what is your use case. So learning and development, marketing, sales, news, real estate, corporate communication, or real-time avatars. Now in this case, just to give you an example, I want to use real-time avatars here and hit click on continue. So what is your company size? In this case, I want to say is going to be 1 to 10 here. So what is the name of your company? So I'm just going to say R&D here just to give you an example. And how did you hear about us? So you could go ahead and just choose whatever applies to you, maybe for social media, word of mouth, Google Ads, referral program, email, or other. So in this case, I want to say this is for online search. Just click on finish and set up. Now from here, now check your mailbox, confirm your email, and create your first video. Now in this case, let's go and click on check mailbox here to open our Gmail here. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to confirm our account. So usually you should receive an email from Ally here. So let's go ahead and click on it. Click on verify email here to verify ourselves. And once verified, we should be able to see the main dashboard for Ally.io. Now in this case, there are going to be a few things that we need to know first here. So what is the main UI here for LIIO? So first at the left side here, which is the home page, which includes all of the necessary items that you might have or you might need or you've recently done. Now here for videos is going to be where your videos are going to be located. You can store them individually here or in folders if you want to. Here we also have the templates here. So if you want to, if you've created a template before, you could go ahead and view it in here. Now in this case, you have also the create avatar option here, which in this case, you'll be able to create your avatar. So if you want to use, like for example, a selfie of yours as an avatar, you could go ahead and use that and you'll be able to basically view it in your avatars library here. Now in this case, there's going to be a lot of avatars that you could choose from depending on what you need. So for example, if you need a doctor avatar here, you could use Max Doctor here, or for business, Max Business here. So depending on what you need here, you could go ahead and choose that. Now, if you've deleted something from your account recently, this is where you'll be able to view it in the deleted videos. Now in this case, maybe we want to start creating a video. So let's go to video here and just click on create now, or click on the create video at the top right. Now from here, it's going to ask you what type of video you are creating. So we have from template here, which in this case, you'll be able to get a template here for your video. Now also the AI storyboard here, which is in this case, is going to be a storyboard. Now I start with an avatar. So you create a video, a blank video with an avatar on it. So depending on what you add on it, you'll be able to basically customize it. Now in this case, you also have the from presentation. So you can upload your own PDF or PowerPoint file here and turn this into a video here in li.io. So in this case, just to give you an overview of how things actually work here, I'm going to use the from template here, and we also have to choose the size on it. So we have horizontal, vertical, and square. So I want to use the horizontal here, and maybe I want to use a template here that is actually in this section here. So let me just choose one that's appropriate. So maybe we want to use this one. So let's go and click on this one. That is for marketing presentation. Now on the right side here, you should be able to see the slides on this specific presentation. So as you can see, there are going to be 5s here. So if you click on the play button here, you should be able to basically view the specific presentation, how it actually looks at the first glance. Now, in this case, if you want to start using this, just click on create video, and it should redirect you into the editing section for your video here. So as you can see, since we are only on the trial here, so we can only render 3 slides. So if you want to add more, you need to have their upgraded plan here. So in this case, in this section here, there's going to be a main workspace that they have. Left side here is going to be the slides that we have, and right here in the right side is where we'll be able to add our assets as well as edit a few things. Now, if you want to edit what the presentation actually says here, make sure that you select the correct slide here. In this case, the first slide here, it's going to say hello everyone here. So if you want to change that, you could go ahead and just type whatever here and change this into what you need. I also have the upload voice here. You could go and upload your own speech here. We also have the no speech here if you don't want to have that specific presentation in that. But in this case, I want to use the speech text here. And from here, I want to choose Tony as the voice. Now in this case, whenever this video actually plays, it should have, or basically it should have the presentation on it. But in this case, if the presentation here is removed, you could go ahead and go to avatar here, and you could add your own here. So maybe I want to add this person here. Let's just choose this one. Maybe I want to use Dylan here, just to give an example. So whenever we play this one, it should actually be able to view that. So sometimes the lip reading or lip synchronization here will not be available. As you can see, lip movement is not available in preview mode. So if you want to view it, you can go ahead and click on render here or preview it here. Now in this case, you can go ahead and just edit your script here. But for example, if you want to edit the text itself, you can go ahead and click on it, double click on it, and you should be able to change the text itself. Like for example, I want to say it's going to be sample here, and I want to double click on this one, get started. So you could go ahead and retain that if you want. Now, if you want to add images on it, you could go ahead and go to the template section here or the element section here. So in this case, we have stock images here where we could use, or you could even add stickers, shapes, and a lot more. Now, maybe you want to use this sticker here. You could go ahead and just drag it into your presentation. So let me just wait for it to pop up since we've already added it. And as you can see, we were able to add this specific sticker here. Now there are going to be a few things that you could change here. Like for example, if you want to remove this one, there are going to be shortcuts on it, like paste, copy, undo, and disabling snapping here if you want. Now moving it around, you could go ahead and use the arrow keys that you have on your keyboard to move them around, and also the layering here and the custom animation itself. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and add whatever here. If you want to add another text here, that is a different one, you could go ahead and go to text here. And once you click on it, you should be able to see the other options. Like for example, this one. So if you want to add your text, and as you can see, we were able to add this section here for text. Now, do we inform whenever you actually click on the text section there, it's going to add a multiple number of text here. So be careful whenever you add them. So if you want to delete them, just click on your backspace here. But before we do that, we need to select our text first. Just click on backspace, delete that, backspace again, and again. Now in this case, same thing. If you double click on it, you should be able to change the text itself. So if you highlight it, just click on Control A, change the color here to white if you want. And from here, we could go ahead and go back. Now from here, you could also change the size itself and the font family here if you want to. Like for example, we want to use this one. Now in this case, you can go ahead and add whatever here, add your avatar, start adding your elements here. So it's actually pretty easy. You just need to be familiarized on what are the general tools here. Like for example, uploads here, we will be able to upload your own video or your own image. You also have the record here if you want to record your screen here, so screen recording. Also have the animation here if you want to add animations on certain aspects on your specific slides here or in your specific elements. You also have the music here if you want to add background music into your presentation, and also templates here if you want to change it to a different one. But yeah, so once you're done, you could go ahead and click on preview here or render it if you want to. So currently the approximate video duration is going to be 40 seconds. So you will only have a minimum or a max here, which is 1 minute here. That is available for your free trial here. So if you want to turn on subtitles, make sure you turn this on. Just click on start render to render your videos. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.